faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. It's a brand new day in JA. And I am here. It's been a busy morning for me as usual. Got up this morning and look after my babies, send Tyler off to school, baby's off to work. However, I have to go and pick up Tyler in like a hour 10 minutes or hour 30 or so, because Tyler have a special doctor appointment today. If you guys been following us for a while, then you know that when Tyler was born, he wasn't doing so well, so we had to stay in the hospital for a while. Something concerning him staying in the hospital for a while that we never really talked about. He have to do this check every year, and today is the day. I guess when we're ready to talk about it, we'll talk about it. But anyway, you have to do this check today to see how that's going. So fingers crossed that all will be well. Yeah, so I have to take him to that appointment. However, baby's gonna meet us at the doctor. The doctor is in town, so I am gonna have to meet babe there for Tyler's doctor appointment. Yeah, so that's that. I have to make him lunch because he's gonna come home. I'm picking him up at school at lunchtime, and he won't go back to school because of course he has the doctor's appointment. So I just got my workout in to get me right for the day, so that you know that I'm gonna have a good day once I get my workout in. You know, once I get my workout in, everything will be good. So I just got my workout in. I'm gonna just go jump in the shower and get ready to go pick up Tyler. I'm gonna make my breakfast. I'm actually making it right now. I'm having boiled eggs this morning. That's it. I had my green juice already. Sarah is here in her playpen, chilling and being a good girl. She's there watching TV, being a good girl for mama while mama get things done around here. So you guys will see Sarah better as soon as I get out of the bathroom and stuff. So yeah, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. Do what you have to do to make your day feel better. Do what you have to do to set up yourself to have a good day. Whatever it is that you like to do in the mornings to ensure that you have a good day, do it without even caring about anyone else, what they think or how they feel. Take care of you, okay? Once you are okay, everybody else around you will be okay, especially if you are a major part in your family. If you are okay, trust me, everyone else will be okay. Anyway, I'm gonna go jump in the shower. Have a good day. Enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Subscribe if it's your first time to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. It's been a busy day. Let me just tell you how busy it's been.
Hello. One. Because you want something in it.
Because I'm waiting for you to say walk one. That's what you normally say?
Oh.
You're too cute.
One. You want? What you say?
What you say?
What you say, ma?
What you say, my yard?
What you say, my yard?
You're too cute. Anyway, let me just zoom you guys out of my face. You guys, it's been a busy day. I picked up Tyler from school, got him lunch, put him down for a little nap, fed Sarah lunch, put her down for a nap, got myself lunch, made dinner, get everybody ready, and now we're heading out. Pure child. Plus everything else that I didn't name between all that. So yeah, to say the least, it's been busy and productive. It's about to rain cats and dogs outside. It's black, not even dark, it's black. But yeah, we gotta do what we gotta do. We gotta take Tyler to the doctor and meet babe there. So yeah, that's what I'm about to head out to do right now. I have the bus in 10 minutes, so I'll see you guys whether on my way or when I get back. Sarah, Come here. Come here. Come here, princess. Sarah, come here. You are so cute. What's wrong? Come say hello to the faves. Come. Hello. Somebody's tired. What your shirt says? Mama.
Water.
Mama is my best friend. Is that so?
No, Tyler's my best friend.
She have too many best friends. Best friend. Your best friend's waiting on the hello and the clap.
What?
Alright, Ty, you have your moment.
What
Let her have-
you
Finish now.
My yo.
See a mosquito over your ears, my youth. Gonna bite you, my youth. Get up.
Where? Where he is.
Come to me.
It's fun.
You see it?
Fun.
So Tyler is in his rain shoes. He's wearing his rain shoes today. Sarah,
Bing, bang, 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 bing, bang.
you're not saying hello to the faves. Look at her mouth.
Yeah, ma. Bang, 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 yeah. Bang, 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 yeah. Bang, 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 bang,
Look at my
bang,
baby,
bang.
so beautiful there. I'm so blessed.
Bang, 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 bang,
Sarah,
bang.
you're not saying hello to the faves. Look at Sarah's outfit. So adorable.
Wow, what a Sarah.
You're playing with Mama Watch? Clap. Yay.
Clap your
Oh. There you go.
Clap your tiny hands. Clap your tiny hands. Clap your tiny hands for joy.
Yay. She's like,
She's clapping.
she's the cutest thing when she claps. Oh, he's so extra, right, Sarah? Mr. Extra. Leave her.
I'm not you. I'm not you. I'm
Yeah.
not you.
Yeah.
I'm not you. I'm not you.
You are so beautiful, my daughter.
You be Suki. Yeah, buddy.
Look at her, she climbing. You guys, let me tell you my dilemma out in the street just now. It was crazy. I couldn't even take out the camera for 10 seconds. When I left, when you guys saw me leave home, took the bus while it was raining, got on the tram, then an accident was on the tram track, so the tram stopped, couldn't move. So I stayed in the tram just to see if it's gonna clear up, but that didn't happen. Thailand, I have to come out of the tram and walk about 22 minutes. That's what my GPS told me. 22 minutes to get to the doctor. We were 10 minutes late, but we got there. Babe got there before us to let the doctor know that we're coming, but there's a little dilemma. So we made it. The family is home. Say hello, everybody.
What?
Hi guys.
What are you eating?
But me, I'm not eating nothing, so you ask Tyler. What are you eating, Tyler?
I'm eating
You look good.
meat, a type of meat.
And Sarah want to bad you up for your plate again. Sarah, look. Thank you, Mama. Come, babe, come help me. So this is what I made for dinner before I left. Beef mince. This pasta was for Thai, so put that aside. And I had already made the filling. So we are gonna have tacos. Where is it? It's not that one.
I don't like that one.
You see how long it's there?
Oh, it's little one, okay.
It's this one. Unless you want that one.
No, this one cool.
This one I want. So babe helping me to create din. She's just pushing the food in her mouth like she coming from prison. Sarah, take time. She's just fooling her hand. Sarah is a drama. It's not her dinner time until 30 minutes. But if you don't look at her, she will take away her brother's plate. She'll beat him up and take away his plate. Literally. I'm not even joking.
Thank you, baby. That looks delicious.
Tyler, I do not want to hear your mouth while you're eating. Chew properly. Alright, you guys. So that's dinner. all this played in this house. Sailor! Oh my god.
I think somebody do.
Jump in your stomach that you just ate. And she loved the excitement. You see, watch her. Look at her. Sarah, go jump on Papa. Go get Papa. Go get Papa. Papa, go get Papa. Sarah, Kaka. Run, Sarah, run, Sarah, run.
This one's worse than your fat, baby. Worse than your fat.
Really? Scandal me, man. Scandal me.
Toxic.
Okay.
I'm not denying it. I ain't denying it.
De tenir, Sarah. Tiens, c'est pas français.
Arrête.
I'm a cat, Sarah.
Look at this madness, though, Lord. And Sarah love the foolery. She love it, you see? Look at her. Look at her. Man, they broke my picnic neck. Broke my pinny neck. Jesus, Ty. You don't realize your foot just hit your head. Oh my God.
Oh, that's
Tyler. Tyler. You hit your sister in her head just now. Oh Jesus, look at her taking off her socks. Watch it. Don't watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Tyler, I speak to you. What are you supposed to do when you accidentally hit your sister?
Sorry, Sarah.
And?
And sorry, Papa, you accidentally hit your father too. Well, he wasn't accident.
And?
Sorry, Papa.
And what you supposed to do to your sister?
Oh my God.
Don't let me have to remind you.
I'm stronger than you.
You see, if you're mad again, I'm put Sarabati on you.
You sure want to be close to me?
Do I look like I just slept?
Yes, you just woke up. You guys, we are coming on to end this vlog that you guys just finished watching of us taking Tyler to the doctor. Why did we take Tyler to the doctor?
Well, Tyler, for the people who follow us,
They don't know. We've never talked about it.
Okay, when Tyler was young, because he have some little health problem.
When he was young.
When he was young, he have some health problem. So because of the medicine that he used to take, we used to do a monthly checkup for his health, just in case, you know, of
You're welcome.
like secondary effect. So yeah, when they used to do one ultrasound, they found out that one thing that was supposed to be closed wasn't totally closed.
So he basically had a hole in his heart.
Yeah, something that needed to close, that normally close when you're
born. I guess the heart is like this when you are born.
So it was so little that we don't have no restriction, but they still need to check to make sure that
it's closed.
It's closed because it needed to be closed.
Right, because if it didn't close, he would have to do a surgery for them to use that thing, some kind of gel to close it.
So yeah, we did it when he was 3, 4, 5, and today they finally found out that it closed. So we don't need to do no more checkup.
We don't need to take him back to that doctor.
Right,
anymore.
it's 5 years late, but it's still
it's done in Jesus' name. It's done.
Right,
it's
so
closed. It's
everything
done.
good. The health is
Champion
normal
boy.
now, and right.
Come here, champion. Ty, come here. Walk around Papa's side.
Can jump on Papa.
No. No jump. Oh my God, you're gonna
He
hurt
literally
yourself.
jumped.
You're a little champion.
He break everything.
And this little champion coming. You're a champion. Doctor says you're a champion, boy. Yes. You're happy that you won't have to go back to that doctor anymore. Alright, champion. Watch champion. Alright, tell the face bye. We're ending the vlog. I think we're gonna say
Bye.
some
Wag.
It's bye bye. We say not hello.
Wag.
Anyway, you guys, that's the update
No.
on Tyler.
It's hello. I didn't even see.
No, we're ending the vlog
Why?
because it's finished. It's not today vlog. It's a different day vlog. We're
Tyler.
just ending.
Tyler.
Tyler, just say bye bye, please.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Later.
See you guys tomorrow. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Thank